We're here at AGU in DC, and I'm excited to share a little bit about my work. So we're interested in the impact of beavers as they move into the Arctic on the underlying permafrost around their ponds. So as herbaceous plants that beavers enjoy are expanding out onto the previously inhospitable tundra, the beavers are following them and building ponds and complexes, and they specialize in impounding water. And we know that water transfers heat to the underlying soils, so what we're interested in is in the backdrop of the overall thaw subsidence regimes that we're seeing in a warming Arctic, is how the beavers are creating their own impacts on adjacent permafrost. So we're using airborne UAV SAR data flown by NASA JPL to get a fine-grained look at subsidence measurements around these ponds, but to quantify it in the backdrop of overall thaw processes. What we're doing is we are taking pond pairs of beaver-affected and non-affected ponds, quantifying the subsidence, or measuring the subsidence around it, and then using an ANOVA statistical analysis to actually compare impacts of subsidence around non-beaver ponds and beaver ponds. And preliminary analysis is showing that in fact the beavers do have an impact on the permafrost in their own right. So this is my first AGU and very excited to be here.